I don't know who wrote this duet, but it's fun. Sounds like Wohlfahrt was arranger of this folk song. So yeah, he really actually did a good job with this because I feel like it just keeps you going all the time. It keeps you on your toes, especially if you pick a faster tempo, such as what I did. I went with 104 clicks, slightly on the faster side. You can go faster if you want, but that makes it even trickier and even more energetic, of course. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to kind of move the tempo marking if you need to go faster or slower, and take advantage of the MP3s I'm including down below. So hopefully you're able to play along with me with a violin or viola part. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing. I will see you in the next video.